Hi students, Rasmussen Library has an awesome resource for studying bones and I wanted to show you how to get there. If you go to the Library and Learning Services page and click on Images and Pictures, that will give you an A through Z database. We want to look for V, which stands for Visible Body. Click on Visible Body, and at this point you'll probably be asked to sign in to your library account. I'm already signed in, so I can go ahead and click right on one of these tabs at the bottom. If you're looking for bones specifically, go to Skeleton Premium, and once you click on that, it'll ask you to launch. It is a separate software piece, so you do have to allow a few minutes for this to upload the first time you use it. If you go back into it during your same browser visit, it's not quite so long, but it does take a minute or two to get this going. When it pops up, you're going to see some really awesome bones, and you're able to move those bones, isolate those bones, and see how they work with each other. So, if you don't mind bearing with me for a moment, I will show you that in just 1 second. And here we go. This is what it looks like when it loads. I would recommend that you explore a little bit, just kind of get used to what this resource is. Let's get rid of this little advertisement here. Bone Views is a good place to start. Under Bone Views, you can search by the name of the bone you're looking for. So if you're wondering what is a fibula, you can look at the fibula in context, which is going to show you the fibula in relationship to the other bones. You can click, you can move it around. You can see the fibula is the bright bone, and the faded out bones show you in context where it fits on the body. You can flip it upside down and move it around. It's pretty neat. If we wanted to go back, let's try one of the other options here for bone view. If we wanted to see the fibula by itself, we can click on that. The nice thing about this is that it gives you all these details at the bottom that you can scroll through if you're looking for specific information about that bone. Again, you can click and rotate it. You can click on it. You can click off of it. You can click on the different ends. Pretty neat stuff. The other option here, let's go back to bone views, is to see it in a region or a joint. The fibula happens to be near the knee, so if we look at the knee, we can zoom in on that and then move it around and check that out this way. And again, sliding up, sliding down. You can click on bones around it, and it'll tell you exactly what it is. This is a femur. It's on the thigh. It's on the right side. We could click on this ligament. That tells us what this ligament is. There's so many options within this Visible Body Skeleton Premium that are so helpful. So spend a few minutes looking through that this week, and I think that you will find that it's much easier to learn anatomy when you can move it and see it and really experience it in a 3D fashion.